Hello everybody and welcome back to Wheesearch's YouTube channel. I'm Jay Isaiah from the channel Jay Isaiah. So before we get into this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on our post notifications so you know when we post, and if you enjoy this video at any time, hit that thumbs up video. Like if you're enjoying it right now, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, alright? Now, if this is your first time here, let me give you a little bit about what Wheesearch does. Wheesearch Beauty takes the guesswork out of makeup shopping by showing you how makeup products look, wear, and feel before you buy them. So that saves you time, money, and the environment because you're not returning products that you don't want because you already know how they look, wear, and feel. Isn't that cool? We know that finding the right products is just part of the struggle. The other struggle? Application. So that's why we created WheeMeet. Your favorite beauty videos often show how a makeup look wears on their face. But what if you could customize that look for you? Maybe you want to learn how to get that flawless base, contour to the gods, slay a cut crease, or even plan a fun look for a date night, brunch, or even a professional event. And I know, there are hundreds of thousands makeup tutorials circulating the internet, but there's a problem with all of them. You can't ask questions or be guided through achieving the look. And I know what you're saying, I could leave a comment, but the odds of these big creators responding to you in the time frame that you need is pretty low. With WheeMeet, you get a one-on-one personalized beauty session that teaches you to become your most beautiful, confident self, and all from your mobile phone. So you can do this anywhere, at school, at work, at the gym. If you need a beauty session, we got your back. So what you just saw was a promotional video that we released across our social media platforms to give people a sneak peek, but let's dig in deeper. Later in the video, I will teach you how to book an appointment, how to choose your creator and the skill, but first I want to walk through the experience that you will have on WheeMeet. Once both parties have joined, a tap to begin button will appear on the screen. All you have to do is tap that button and you are ready for your session. Once you join the platform, you will either see a screen in a picture-in-picture or a split screen. Now, you have the opportunity to change this if you want. There's a button in the top right-hand corner that you can click and that will change your view. Once your session has begun, the creator that you chose will walk you through the skill or topic that you determined before the appointment. But remember, if you have any questions, if you don't understand, be vocal about it. Talk to your creator because this is what that one-on-one personal consultation is for you to learn, right? And then during your session, if things get a little unclear, so maybe you don't know where to start your contour or where to place your highlighter, we have a feature called the Telestrator. So how the Telestrator feature works, the creator will have you do a little pose, so hey. Then they will hit the camera button which will take a snapshot of your beautiful face. Once the screenshot is captured, the creator can literally draw anywhere they want on the screen. So maybe you don't know where to start your contour. They can draw right here and show you the direction and placement of that contour. Say you don't know what an inner corner highlight is. They can draw right in the area and highlight the area you need to highlight yourself. I wasn't even trying to make a joke and it just came out. So with the Telestrator feature, the creator can use this as a guide for better understanding to make sure that you become your most beautiful, confident self. And then after you said your goodbyes to your creator and thanking them for your beautiful session, or maybe you didn't like it at all, we want your feedback. Once the creator hits the end call button, it will pop up a quick survey using the same swiping technology we use on our website. So it should take you about 15 to 20 seconds to give us feedback about your session. There are 3 ways to book a session with one of our creators. The first way is right here on YouTube. On all of our videos in the description box, there will be a link to our Acuity calendar. All you have to do is click that link and it will take you to our scheduling page. The second way to book is through Instagram. Simply click the book button on our Instagram profile and this will take you to the scheduling page. And the third way to book is to go to www.wheesearch.com, click on the Creators tab at the top of the page, and then that will bring you to our Creators page. Anybody with the WheeMeet symbol Next to their name is offering consults. All you have to do is click on that button and it will take you to the Acuity scheduling page. So once you're on the Acuity scheduling page, you have the opportunity to choose the creator of your choice and the topic you want to learn. Next, you will choose a date and time that works for you. All of the creators' availability will already be loaded into the calendar, so if you see a time that you want and it's free, book it. So once you go through the whole process, entering in your personal information and your credit card information, and you won't be billed at the time of booking, but once your session starts, that's when we will bill your card. You and the creator will be sent an email confirming your session. And when it's time, we'll send you a clickable link and then it's time to slay. Yes! Now beauty fans, what are you waiting for? Go to our Instagram page, look in the description of this YouTube video, or go to www.wheesearch.com and book your consults today. Oh, and before I forget, if you're a content creator and you're interested in providing one-on-one personalized consults, keep watching. We have more for you. Now creators, think about what you already share with the world in your content. And if you're on YouTube, you know you have to meet certain requirements before your channel gets monetized. And if you're on Instagram, you have to build and build and build a following with hopes of getting a brand deal or being noticed by someone. But what if you could start making money right now with the fan base you already have? With WheeMeet, you have the flexibility to choose your own schedule, offerings, and set your own price. What this means is if you only want to work on Fridays, you only have to work on Fridays. If you want to offer Monday through Sunday, that's up to you. Then you get to share your link with whomever you like. How much you promote is up to you. Since WheeMeet uses Acuity scheduling, if you're on Instagram, you can add the book button. If you're on YouTube, you can put that link in your description. And you can also share it on Facebook and Twitter for even more reach. And then once you've set up your calendar, your offerings, and set your prices, then you get to sit back and relax. If anybody books with you on your calendar, we will send you an email confirming that session. And then all you have to do is reach out to your client and let them know what they'll need for the session. Creators, WheeMeet is a great way for you to meet with clients all over the world and either generate a side income or make this your full-time job. The possibilities are endless. It's really up to you. If you are a creator and you're interested in getting started with WheeMeet, all you have to do is email info@wheesearch.com and we'll get you started. Now beauty fans, I hope you enjoyed this video introducing our new consult platform, WheeMeet. Now once again, I'm Jay Isaiah from the channel Jay Isaiah, and this sounds like a no-brainer to me. WheeMeet, you learn, WheeMeet consults. Bye! I said WheeMeet consults, consults. Oh, I never knew I could move my body like that. WheeMeet. Bye.